Have you ever wondered how to improve your bust line naturally? In this video, we'll share simple, effective tips and natural supplements to help you achieve fuller, more beautiful curves without the need for surgery or chemicals. How to grow your breasts naturally and effectively. Achieving fuller curves naturally is possible through a combination of exercises and herbal supplements. Regular physical activity can help strengthen the muscles around the chest, giving the bust a toned and lifted appearance. What causes small breasts? The most significant factor affecting bust size is genetics. Just like other physical traits, your inherited genes play a crucial role in determining your natural bust line, including its shape and size. If your family members have smaller chests, you likely might too. Hormonal imbalance. Hormones such as estrogen and progesterone influence the development of the bust area. If there's an imbalance in these hormones, it may affect the growth and fullness of the bust during puberty or later in life. Diet and nutrition. A poor diet can result in lower body fat levels, affecting your curves. A lack of essential nutrients can impair growth and cause your body to focus on more critical functions instead of bust development. Age and changes in the body. As you age, your body goes through changes that can lead to a smaller bust line. Decreased hormone production, weight fluctuations, or pregnancy can all contribute to a loss of fullness and volume in the chest area. Best supplements for bust size that actually work. Big B36 capsules and oil are natural products designed to support the improvement of your bust line. These herbal supplements work together to promote tissue regeneration and improve skin elasticity, helping to achieve a firmer and fuller bust. Regular use of Big B36 capsules and oil can nourish your body from the inside out, giving you the confidence to improve your curves naturally. Key features of Big B36 capsules and oil. Supports hormonal balance and promotes fuller curves. Big B36 capsules and oil help regulate hormonal levels, which are essential for bust development. This process contributes to fuller, more defined curves, enhancing the overall appearance of the bust line. Tones and tightens the bust area. These products help tone the skin around the bust, improving its firmness and preventing sagging. The natural ingredients nourish the skin, keeping it smooth and youthful looking. Exercises that help your breasts to grow faster. Push-ups. This classic move engages your chest, shoulders, and arms. Performing regular push-ups strengthens the muscles beneath your bust, which can lead to a firmer and fuller bust line. Chest press. Lying on a bench and pressing weights above your chest activates the pectoral muscles. This can improve the overall firmness and lift of your bust, contributing to a more improved chest. Dumbbell pullover. Lifting a dumbbell from your chest over your head helps target the pectoral muscles, making your chest look fuller and firmer as a result. Wall push-ups. A beginner-friendly version of push-ups, wall push-ups help engage the upper chest muscles and improve the overall tone of your bust line over time. Arm circles. Holding light weights and making small circles targets the shoulder and chest muscles, improving the appearance of your bust by tightening and lifting the area. Modified bench press. Lifting weights in a controlled manner targets the pectoral muscles and can increase chest volume over time, contributing to a fuller bust. For optimal results, combine these exercises with the regular use of Big B36 capsules and oil for 3 months to help promote the natural growth of tissues, leading to a fuller bust line and improved curves. You can discreetly purchase Big B36 capsules and oil from Naturalgain.com and start your journey toward a fuller, more confident you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video where we reveal how to increase breast size without surgery.